So today, I'll show you my new game, Infinite Maze game. It's gonna be like, there's gonna be infinite mazes in them. Like, you're gonna play it, like, it's just going and going. And when you reach the X, another maze will pop up, and you can never finish all the mazes. Because they're gonna be infinite. That's like so much, right? Like, you're just trying to do it, and when you finish it, there's gonna be infinite. That's cool, right? That's gonna be very cool, right? Like, that would be so cool. Like, infinite mazes. Ever thought of that? You don't have to like draw all of them. It would auto-generate. I'll show you the code. So I'll press C inside, and look at that. With just that code, it can make infinite mazes. And the player, yeah, it's very cool. It's just moving. And if we drag the player there and then we move to the X, it's going to generate another maze. Player's going to be like that, and there's the X and the, all of that. That's very cool. That's so